Welcome back, everyone. If you've been trying to find all your shop's questions and answers on Facebook app on PC after the new update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly open the right section and check everything in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu where all your important settings are located. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Activity Log. This is the area where Facebook keeps track of many of your actions, interactions, and account activity. If you've used Facebook Shops before, this is where you need to go next. Inside the Activity Log, click on your Facebook activity. Now scroll or look through the available options until you find Shops. Click on it and then select Questions and Answers. This will bring up the section where you can view the questions people asked and the answers connected to your shop activity. If you don't see it right away, take your time and check the menu carefully because Facebook sometimes changes the layout with updates. But once you reach the Shop section, everything should be easier to find. This method is the fastest way to locate your shop's questions and answers on Facebook app for PC without guessing or searching endlessly. So just to recap, open Facebook app, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, open Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, then click Shops, and finally choose Questions and Answers. That's it. If this helped you, keep following along for more simple Facebook tutorials like this one.